So, as you may all know, a while ago, Microsoft released a very early preview of Windows 11 20H2, but now they've included in the release preview channel. This piece is going to roll out to stable territory anytime soon, so let's see what the features are added to this new build of Windows 11. Firstly, the watermark of the insider preview build has now been gone, which makes the desktop look much more cleaner. Next up, the volume rocker dialog has now been redesigned to look more native to Windows 11. If you hover over the left corner of the taskbar, the widget panel will appear. The only big change here is it now has the family safety widgets to basically spine your kit. If you go to the start menu, you can now create folders and name them. If you go to the search app, you'll see some Microsoft Bing stuff, the date, the user profile, and the three dot icon from which you can easily change your search settings and indexing options or submit feedback to Microsoft. We also have the suggested panel on the left side of the Windows search. Now you can also drag and drop stuff to the taskbar. Along with that, we can also drag a window to the top and snap it into one place instead of accessing the snap layout by hovering over the maximize button on a window. And there are two more features called Do Not Disturb and Focus. So with D&D, you can silence your notification banners easier than ever before. You can also set rules like on which exact time or scenario D&D should be turned on. And also sets priority notifications to control how specific apps and notifications can break through and Do Not Disturb. With Focus, you can minimize the distractions on your PC by silencing notifications and this flash animation. It even integrates with the Cloud Cap, which also supports integration with Spotify, so you can listen to music on Spotify. We can also turn on live captions to generate closed captions with any content on device. In the Windows Explorer, the Quick Access panel is now called Home. Inside of the Home, there are three rows. In the first row, all your pinned folders are visible. In the second row, all your pinned files should be visible. In the third row, all your recent files should be visible, which are also linked with OneDrive. Speaking of OneDrive, when you're browsing through your OneDrive folders, you can see the sync status and the quota usage. If you have a folder filled with images, it now shows a thumbnail preview of what's inside that folder. Microsoft also decided to become more strict with its power consumption settings. The screen off timers were set to 15 minutes instead of 20. Warnings are also provided when you set the timers to never. Microsoft also redesigned the task manager. This includes the new hamburger menu and a new settings page. It syncs with your device theme and changes its theme accordingly. They also have efficiency mode, which is useful when you notice an app consuming high resources and would like to limit its resources so the system gives priority to other apps. And finally, some of the emojis have been redesigned to look more natural. So alright guys, that's all for today's video. If you like what you saw, please give this video a like and get subscribed to my channel by clicking here. Or watch a random mystery video that'll be chosen by YouTube. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye!